I saying? Hold on. Oh my gosh, what am I doing right now with my life? Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you. I'm actually here today. It's technically August 1st, but I'm unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for the month of July. So normally I would do this during box week, but this box came like tons of days. I'm like, what am I saying? Hold on. Oh my gosh, what am I doing right now with my life? Okay, so this box normally would come in the middle of July, but for some reason it came at the very end of the month. I had already finished box week and life has been really crazy. My 15-year-old niece is here visiting me for a couple of weeks from Florida, so I've been like super busy, and I apologize that I did not open this right when it came in the mail, but I've just like not had the time, and I was like, I need to do it, but now it's August, so I feel kind of weird. So this is the Allure box for the month of July. I'm opening in August. I'm still planning to get the August box, and also with all of that introduction being said, if you want to join the Just Like Drew family, click the red subscribe button down below this video, because I don't know why you wouldn't totally be like sold on this whole showdown after all of that. And we will be putting items from this box, probably some items from this box, into our stockpile giveaway. If you don't know what that is, this is a box here, a goodie box that we started filling up in the month of July. Basically, I put items from my subscription boxes in there. Once the box gets full, I host a giveaway. This is the 4th box we're filling up, so I'm really excited to see what we get in here tonight. The Allure Beauty Box is $15 per month. I will put information below. I think I will in the description box. I say I think because like now I just don't know. This video's gone off the rails so much. I'm like, I'm gonna say I'm gonna give you info on how to sign up for this box, and then what if I don't? So like, hopefully I'll put info in the description box below this video for how you can sign up for this box. If I don't, I'm sorry. I don't know what to say. So I am opening up this box and I'm excited to get into this tonight. Allure's a weird box because at first I really liked it, then I kind of like really didn't like it at all, and now I really like it again. They've given out like an $85 full bottle of Sunday Riley serum before, so it's one of those boxes that I feel like if I were to ever cancel it, I'd always have FOMO because they'd end up like coming out swinging and giving out something amazing in their box, and I'd be like, dang it, if I only would have just held on another month. Every month they give you a little booklet that tells you about what's inside of your box, so I'm going to set this underneath here. And alright, it looks like they gave also a coupon to give $20 off the next purchase at BaubleBar.com, so that's kind of cool. Alrighty, so inside of here we have, ooh, Olay Regenerist Whip. This is an active moisturizer. I've used Olay products before, and I will say that like for a brand that's sold like in Target and Walmart, this is a phenomenal skincare brand. I'm definitely gonna put this into the giveaway box. This is amazing. I want someone to get to try this. It's supposed to be like a really light finish moisturizer, but like I said, their products are amazing. So that's actually really cool that we got that as our first item in there. All right, the next item that we have is Ouai Leave-In Conditioner. Ooh, Ouai Hair Care is one of my, like, one of the brands that I always, anything they come out with, I'm always like, this is amazing, I love this. I'm actually gonna put this in the giveaway box as well. I have a lot of leave-in conditioners right now, and I wanna share the love, so even though I'd love to try this, because I've never tried Ouai Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner, I feel like this is something that's too awesome that I wanna put in the giveaway box for somebody to try. All right, the next item that we have is Derma E Essentials Sun Protection Mineral Powder. All right, so it looks like this, I'm not gonna open it. It's like a powder to put on your face that has like SPF 30 in it. It's like a setting powder. I'm actually gonna put that in the giveaway box as well. I have a ton of setting powder. Okay, this is kind of funny, like this whole box, I might as well just take it and dump it in the giveaway box. It seems like everything is going in there so far. But yeah, so that actually is like a setting powder with SPF 30 in it. I think that's actually really awesome. And I love when like makeup products have SPF protection in it, because it makes life so much easier than having to like go put on sunscreen and trying to figure out how to perfectly layer your sunscreen, moisturizer, makeup, and all of that. So that's great. All right, next we have a blue eyeliner from Douche, the makeup brand. This is actually going to go in the giveaway box as well. I don't wear blue eyeliner. I just keep it to like black and brown. Wow, literally I should just dump this into the giveaway box. So far, everything is going in there. All right, next we have, okay, this one I think I'll keep. It's a Feel Harmony Rose Petal Face Mask, Ultra Concentrated Toning Gel. All right, so this is a face mask that you put on, you leave on for 10 minutes and rinse off. It's a rose face mask mask. I told you guys plenty of times before that I love, love, love Rose face mask skincare products. I feel like they're always amazing, really good for rebalancing and resetting your skin. All right, next, and seriously, there's a ton of items in here. You guys like seriously seeing this? Like I still have like a few items left to show you. The next item that we have is Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in full red. All right, it looks like this is, I can't tell if it's like an eyeliner or a lip liner, but it's from Makeup Forever. I'm gonna set this to the side because I'll look at the book after we finish unboxing everything. All right, next thing we have is the Organic Pharmacy Antioxidant Lip Balm. Ooh, a nice size lip balm. Like seriously, a full size, oh, I dropped it. Hold on. Good Lord have mercy, this unboxing is a struggle. You probably just saw a whole like bush of hair. I have so much hair. I have so much hair. You guys, seriously, wow. This is a Organic Pharmacy lip balm product. All right, let me try to open this if I can. There's like a plastic seal on here. Oh wait, not too bad. All right, cool. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. It kind of has like a petroleum jelly look to it. Oh, that is hydrating. I am excited to try that out and see what I think. I love getting lip balms because my lips, I put so many different lipsticks and lip products on there that they actually tend to dry out, it seems. All right, next item that we have is Luna Sunday Riley Retinol. So this is a retinol oil that reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles from Sunday Riley. It's funny, I was just talking about Sunday Riley and then there was something in there. That's cool. I'm gonna keep this and try it out. I don't really use like retinol oils, but I always am trying to get more into like finding out, discovering more about like face oils. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on. I don't wanna waste it because I'm like, this stuff is expensive. All right, oh, it's blue, you guys, it's blue oil. That is cool, look at that. All right, can you see that? All right, I'm gonna rub that in and see how that feels. It's weird, it's oil, but it's not like thick. It definitely rubs in really easily and right away. And oh my gosh, there's also a set of earrings from the Bauble Bar. Well, that makes sense why they had the information about Bauble Bar in there. Seriously, this box is amazing, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna look in the booklet really quick to find out about that one pencil. All right, it is the Artist Color Pencil. Oh, it's designed to be used all over. So you could use it as a brow shade, or you could use it as a lip color or a blush. Okay. So this is just kind of an everything. Well, I'm gonna have to keep this now because they've got me interested to see how this works. Although, if you've been with me for a while, you may remember the one time that I opened up a product and it was like a lip and a cheek pencil, and I kind of lost my marbles on my YouTube channel and had like a meltdown and started putting it on all over my face, and that was a fun time in my life. So I'm trying to open this to see what the shade looks like how deep of a red this is. I think that's really interesting that they would give you a product that basically can be used anywhere and all over, and the whole point of it, I guess, is to kind of let yourself be creative and to see where you want this. Oh my God, I cannot get this wrapper off to save my life. Okay, got it mostly off. That's just, all right. So yeah, this is a nice red tone. I'm rubbing it in, but it's buildable. So it's like, if you could put it on light, as you can see there, or it's really buildable. I'm interested to try this. I think I might actually end up using this probably more for like a lip color. But seriously, this box, this is actually like one of the best Allure boxes I think we've ever gotten. I mean, nothing I think has so far compared to like the box where we got the Sunday Riley gigantic serum in, but like as terms of like products variety, this is absolutely fantastic. So to recap, we got a pair of earrings from the Bauble Bar, seriously, which I just feel like is so thoughtful and cute and amazing. We got the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the color Full Red. We got the Sunday Riley Sleeping Night Oil, which I put on. I don't know why I'm showing you. I put it on though, and it's like an oil you put on at night to help reduce like pores and I think fine lines. The full-size antioxidant lip balm from the Organic Pharmacy. The Feel Harmony Rose Petal Face Mask. Also, we got a Derma E Essentials setting powder. We also got the Olay Regenerous Active Moisturizer, as well as the Way Leave-In Conditioner, and these three items are going into our giveaway box. I am beyond impressed. Like, wow, I'm kind of mad that I even waited to open this because I'm like, this is amazing. So that's everything I got in this box. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, oh wait, there was another item. Oh my God, something else was on my lap. Also, the Douche Blue eyeliner, which is also going into our giveaway box. I can't. Like this box, wow, I'm just seriously amazed. Like, so this is what our giveaway box looks like so far. We're definitely gonna keep filling it up probably through the month of August, and hopefully at the end of August, we'll be able to host another giveaway. I'm excited. I always love doing these giveaways. I love seeing like people in the Just Like Drew crew win. That's why I do this, because it's a way for me to give back to my YouTube family. So this is really awesome and exciting. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because you're literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you soon for like a new video of some sorts. We'll figure out what it is when the time comes. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
A little bit more. Like 2 more times. Okay, 1 more. Okay, I think that's good.
That was therapy.
Yeah, I know.
Just now. I was like, oh,
yeah, because if you do it too long, then it just turns into peanut butter.
Okay.